My name is Jane Mbodze. I live in Shomoroni, Tauni sub-county. I recently completed my high school education and I'm aspiring to do civil engineering in the university. I heard about the institution from my mom, whereby I decided to apply for it, for which I was selected. The challenge that I faced before joining a digital literacy class was lack of confidence since I didn't know how to operate a computer. But what kept me motivated and going, it was that I needed the same skills for my future goals. The skills that I learned during the training were Microsoft Office, Canva, Google Sheets, Google Docs, and others. The skill that excites me the most is Canva, since I'm able to make my own portfolio, posters, and create my own presentations. The digital literacy skill has improved my confidence since I'm able to operate a computer, creating logos, posters, and presentations using Canva. The skills that I gained in the digital literacy training, I'm going to use them in several ways, like creating posters using Canvas and documenting my work using Google Docs. Since I'm inspiring to do civil engineering, I'll use the skills gained in my schoolwork and project. I would like to advise other girls who are out there afraid of learning tech to try it out because it just takes a leap of faith. Thank you.